Okay, I'm trying to read this book. And Charlie will not leave me alone. Like, Charlie, go away. Go away. Get out. I'm trying to read. Ah. Ew. Hope I didn't do that. No, he's just waiting. He's waiting for his opportunity to pounce. Soon as I start getting occupied by my book. I'm waiting to pick my brother up. Little hot chocolate and my vintage Wizard of Oz bookmark that Bailey got me, was one of her presents for me for Christmas. It came in a big set. And then I'm reading Divergent. Pretty exciting. Divergent is ruining my life. My life has literally stopped. Like, it was a terrible idea to start this book during finals week. Okay? I started this book yesterday. Alright? Just started it yesterday. 460 pages. In one day. I mean, I started this, I was like, yeah, kind of a Hunger Games ripoff. Whatever. I was wrong. Like, my internal dialogue has been like, Divergent, Divergent, Divergent. Oh, look, calculus, Divergent. Oh, I'm gonna drink some water, Divergent. Gonna eat some lunch, Divergent. Everything. And then someone will say something, and I'll be like, oh, that's like in Divergent. And I can't stop. And I won't stop. I'm still reading. And look at me right now. Like, look at me. I wore like 2 sweatshirts today. Like a lumberjack sweatshirt and another sweatshirt over it. Like, who do I think I am? Who am I? I'm Divergent. Also, this book smells good. Sorry, Ben, I'm smelling your book and putting my nose on it. Anyway, I need to go back to reading now, so I'm sorry. Bye. The rule book of putting dishes away.
Who's the boss?
I don't know, I think Dad's the boss.
Well, you think wrong.
How do you feel about that?
I gotta check her
Tired.
tickets over here.
The only one standing in the way is you.
I know. I overdid it a little bit the other day.
No such thing. You work till you can't work anymore. And you die. Dad, if there were no tomorrow, would you still do what you did today?
Probably not. It would be different.
That's what Steve Jobs asks himself every morning.
Really?
He look in the mirror and he asks himself, if I were going to die tomorrow, what would I still do what I'm about to do today?
Really?
Yeah. Doing who knows what. He does over here. I don't even know what this stuff means. Okay, yeah.
Watch people stop for me to enter the intersection, the roundabout. No, captain seat. That's not it.
No?
What you use to scoop up water. A ladle seat. Bucket seat. Oh, bucket. I was thinking cradle. I couldn't think of it. I knew.
Some
I
people
was-
call them different stuff too, so.
Gotan Hatchik. Gotan Hatchik. Gotan Hatchik.
What is it?
Golden Hatchet.
Coat, that's a good one. Coat and hatch check.
Not too bad though. This is where we got stuck. Back in the day.
We're not supposed to use... what are we supposed to heat our houses to?
60. You're supposed to turn it down to 60 so we don't use up all the
60
natural gas.
degrees, so we don't use up the natural gas. So then, there's gonna be that one person who just like cranks it up.
Yeah, on the roads here, does it? It must just be because the side walls of snow are high enough for to keep the snow from blowing on the road.
Yeah. Oh, this is scary.
Near whiteout conditions.
White out. I'm so scared right now. You're gonna like spin out. Well, there's some.
Yeah, it's
How
made
high are the winds are supposed to be?
They're up to 50 miles an hour.
50. Because there's no trees to block it, like right here. There's
And
no
what's-
trees over there. See?
What's dangerous
Really?
is you can't see where the road is.
Yeah.
That's when you cross the lane. And
See, you can see how you don't really know what's going on. And if you hit one of these little guys with the edge of your tire, you could be all over. Oh no. Okay, nope. Slow down.
I just want to make it through.
Oh no, the horses. They're okay.
One's got a coat. Oh, they both got coats on. Probably windbreakers, right? Yeah, I don't know if I like
Oh,
seeing.
I'm sorry. This is probably a bad idea. Choosing to go this way.
Just because there's not many people on the road. This is like where you get out stranded and they say no travel is